Welcome back to another vlog. Kaden here, and yeah, today is another normal day as usual dito sa bahay, and mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong reaction ko sa Gear 5 ni Luffy dahil release siya kahapon, no, actually 2 days ago, and this was my reaction. Nakita nyo naman na I was excited. I don't know kung ako lang, no? Pero pag tumutugtog yung drums of liberation, parang napapasayaw ganyan. Day, sobrang init ngayong araw, so hindi kami nakalabas. Pero kahapon lumabas kami, back to school shopping ako. Nakabudol na naman. Nabudol ko na naman yung mama ko. Ang araw na lang is papasok na naman ako ng school. Thursday yung pasok ko. I think I'm mentally ready this upcoming school year. Yung ko lang na-realize na ang hirap pala mag-vlog dahil ako mag-isip ng content. Yun na lang yung puro ganito dahil I think this is getting boring and too much. I'm doing vlogs like this for 3 years. Actually, this year ko lang talaga sineryoso dahil the previous years is parang trip-trip lang. New contents coming soon. More skits. Probably pranks. Challenges. Probably. We'll see. Been drawing a lot since last week. Nagbasura ako, nagtapon ako ng mga papel na hindi naman kailangan dito sa kwarto, and I saw my drawings. Nagpabili pa nga ako ng sketchbook, and yeah, parang nabalik yung kate ko sa drawing. Parang ganun ba? Yes, I drew Luffy, Gear 5. Saan ba? Yan, Gear 5. And I am currently drawing Zoro. Hindi pa tapos yung kalaban niya, si Killer. Sa Wano rin yun. Just got this sketchbook like 2 days ago, kaya wala pang masyadong drawing. So, ayun, it's been a long while. 3 weeks na akong walang as in clips of this vlog. And yes, may pasok na ulit ako 3 weeks, no, actually 2 weeks ago is, yeah, nag-back to school na kami. And I'm currently locked in and focused sa school. Kaya wala akong masyadong mga clips. Pero there are days that I'm really unproductive. Right now, it's kind of gloomy kahit na August. Lapit dito, actually dito sa state namin, California, is may hurricane. Buti na lang kami dito sa Sacramento is walang ulan. Goods. Dahil last time na nagkabagyo dito, nawalan kami ng kuryente for a while, like 2 weeks, I think. So, ngayong araw is Wednesday and may pasok ako. Kakatapos ko lang kumain. Ngayong araw, sasama ko sa school. Like a day in a life. Isang vlog na day in a life na naman. And yeah, marami nang nagbago sa routine ko pag may pasok ako. Usually, dati, gabi ako gumagawa ng homework. Pero ngayon, I do them when I get home. And then maligo ko, tapos kahit anong gawin ko na nun. And yeah, that have changed. And yeah, I'm locked in right now. Kaya hindi ako masyado nakakapag-vlog. Yung clip, nung unang clip ng vlog nito is 3 weeks ago pa. So, yeah. So, papahinga lang ako. And mamaya mag-ready ako para sa school is, yeah, mag-vlog na lang ulit ako. Doon na lang yung next clip.
inches that the big one was, right? The surface area of the big ball was. And
Kakauwi ko lang and kinda hot right here. Pero wala akong mapag-videoan kasi puro kwarto na lang yung pinagbibidyoan ko. Like, I mean, literal naman ako laging nagbibidyo. Pero yeah, it's a better setup over here. Pero yan, kakauwi ko lang. Meron akong 3 quiz bukas and meron akong isang homework today. And yun, I gotta do all of them. No, not all of them. But yeah, I've got to study for English, Spanish, at saka math. Dahil may quiz ako bukas. All 3 subjects. Hopefully I pass dahil I don't know. Hopefully I pass. Pero yun, I just watched a video. I don't know kung interesado kayo. Pero what do you guys think about fakes? Like replica items? Dahil meron ako nakitang video sa pinapanood ko na YouTuber dito. Binuli yung bata sa online, parang cyberbullying. Binuli kasi siya dahil sa mga sapatos na binili niya na fake replica. For me, I really don't care for someone wearing replicas or dahil para-pares lang naman sapatos yan and para-pares na material na ginamit and same factory, which is, I don't know, somewhere in Asia. Either China, Thailand, Taiwan, I don't know. But they're the same, man. Dahil ako dati, I used to wear replicas too. I think I had Yeezys, fake Yeezys. And itong model na to, yan, fake ones. I really don't care if you wear fake clothes, fake branded pants, fake shoes. I really don't give a flying back inside dahil sobrang init sa labas. Pinagpawisan na ako. Pero yun, nakuha ko na rin pala yung school ID ko. Itatakpan lang ako na stuff that you can't see. You can't. That don't need to be seen, that is very private. Yan. Yun yung school ID ko. Yeah. Tangan ng pangit ko.